Station Wild Arctic before that storm does. This is Captain Emerson. Welcome aboard White Thunder. Station Wild Artic. Should be a short, comfortable flight. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenery. I heard a caribou. Looks like they're going in our direction. These sensors detecting what appears to be polar bear activity. We're racing an Arctic storm, but I think we have time to take a little side trip. I'll set our rotors to whisper mode so we can get in close. Oh, look at that. A mother and her cubs. Let's leave them be. We're in luck. There's more animal activity on the other side of this glacier. If we hurry, we can take a look. Hang on. White Thunder to base. We're dropping underwater.
Water entry complete.
Whoa! That narwhal almost came in for a visit.
Storm warning.
Looks like that storm has picked up. We'd better get going.
Flying mode restored.
Don't want to scare those walrus. I have a warning indicator light flashing. Folks, we're sitting down on this glacier, and I'm shutting down until I check it out. Oh no. Oh no, the edge of this glacier can't hold our weight. Got to get rotors back. It won't start. Thrusters on. And pull us out of this. That was close.
Storm alert. Storm alert.
That storm front is trying to cut us off at the pass, taking an emergency route. We're on our own. We'll avoid these high winds by taking a path through this chasm. Hang on. It's an avalanche. Brace yourselves. We made it. This is White Thunder. And we're all looking forward to solid ground. We're coming in. This is Captain Emerson thanking you for flying White Thunder. I hope you all have a great time exploring Base Station Wild Arctic. Till next time, over and out.
Please wait until the doors open before disconnecting.